Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Apex English Language. Today I am going to teach you how to take part in group discussion, debate. First of all, we need a topic for this type of discussion, and our today's topic is knowledge more powerful than money? I am in favor of this topic. Today I will speak about yes, knowledge is more powerful. I have so many arguments. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to say knowledge is more powerful because when we use knowledge, it increases, but when we spend money, it decreases. Money can be stolen, but knowledge cannot be stolen. There are so many professionals like teachers, doctors, advocate, scientists. When they use their knowledge, they teach something to the people. Like if we talk about scientists, when they use their knowledge, they discover some new thing which helps people for long time. Like Edison discovered bulb, and we have been using this bulb for long time, so it's very useful. Because of the knowledge of scientists, we are using bulb, and this is really very useful. Next, if we talk about doctors, doctor can give better treatment to the patient. I know some people have more money. If they pay more money to doctors, it doesn't mean that the patient will recover soon. No, it's not like that. Patient will recover soon because of the knowledge of the doctor, because of the prescription of the doctor, because of the guidelines of the doctor. So I think knowledge is more powerful. Nowadays, everybody knows brother starts fighting with brother because money is the bone of contention. And if we talk about business skill, we have listened so many cases. Some people left their house, and when they left their house, they had a very little amount in their pocket. But after few days, few months, after few years, they established a big empire because of the knowledge of business. I mean, they used their business skill. Next, knowledge can help you a lot in your life because it can make your career. If we talk about subject knowledge, you have to clear examination. If you don't have knowledge of any particular field, you cannot clear any exam. So knowledge is more powerful. Money cannot give you happiness, but knowledge can give you happiness, because knowledge can you give a kind of satisfaction, and satisfaction helps us in leading joyful life. So I think knowledge is more powerful. I accept one point. Because of money, we can lead luxurious life. We can purchase big bungalow, cars, and some other valuable items like jewelries and so many other things. Yeah, this is good point. But I think the satisfaction we get from knowledge, jewelry, a big house and car will not give you that kind of satisfaction. So I think knowledge is more powerful. There are so many other examples. When brother starts fighting because of money, so bloodshed everywhere and there's no brotherhood. So everywhere means you are facing problems because of money. But because of knowledge, I can give you one more example. If a writer writes in a positive way, like a writer can give good message to the society, and because of his writing skill, he can spread the message of peace and prosperity, and people will get motivated. I think knowledge is more powerful. Now it's your turn to make some points about given topic whether you write in favor of knowledge or in favor of money. It's your choice. But I'll be very happy if you write something in comment box. If you give your comment, if you give your arguments in comment box, I'll be very happy, because only then I will come to know about the level of your curiosity, and I'll be very happy that you are watching my videos and you are learning something. If you start putting your comment in comment box, then the level of your speaking definitely will be increased and you will feel satisfied after some days. So that's all from my side. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you very much.